In this video, I'm going to give you my genuine perspective on whether BookBolt is worth it if you're into low-content publishing. Low-content publishing has been gaining traction recently, and alongside that, BookBolt has grown in popularity as a tool among creators in this niche. The big question, though, is whether BookBolt is truly a game changer or if it's just overhyped. In this video, I'll guide you through what BookBolt is, how it works, and my honest opinion about whether it's worth investing in. To begin, let's take a look at what BookBolt offers. When you subscribe to the platform, you gain access to two main features: the research tools and the creation tools. These are the core components that help streamline your low-content publishing process. Once you're logged into BookBolt, you'll notice a user-friendly dashboard with tutorials for every tool. This ensures you know how to navigate and make the most of the software. In the research section, you'll find various features designed to help you explore keywords and niches for your low-content books. For instance, there's a product search tool where you can input keywords related to the type of book you're researching. You can refine your search further by categorizing your results into specific types of low-content books. When you conduct a search, BookBolt provides detailed data, including average bestseller rank, BSR, lowest and highest prices, and the top-performing books within that niche. It also highlights commonly used keywords associated with successful books in your chosen category. This data can be invaluable for identifying trends and opportunities in the market. Next, the creation side of BookBolt allows you to design book covers and interiors. These tools make it easier to produce professional-looking products without the need for advanced design skills or separate software. I'll be walking you through these tools as well to give you a clearer picture of their functionality. So, by the end of this video, I'll weigh the pros and cons of using BookBolt and share whether I think it's a must-have tool for low-content publishers or something you can do without. In my experience with BookBolt, I've found its features for researching and analyzing the low-content publishing market to be quite versatile and useful. Let me walk you through some of the standout tools it offers, starting with its keyword and metadata research capabilities. One of the first things I noticed about BookBolt is how it provides insights into related keywords and other terms that successful books in your niche are using. This feature is a great starting point for uncovering additional keyword opportunities to target, which can help broaden your reach. Beyond that, the software allows you to see details like a book's bestseller rank, BSR, and how it's performing in terms of sales. This kind of data is incredibly helpful for understanding what's working in the market and where opportunities might lie. Moving on to another feature, there's the seller tool, which focuses on analyzing competitor information. Although I don't personally use this tool much, it's available for those who want to dive deeper into competitor strategies. For me, the real gem of BookBolt's research capabilities is its cloud feature. The cloud feature lets you explore the top-performing books in specific categories, with options to filter and segment the data extensively. For instance, you can look at the top 500 best-selling books within a niche, like coloring books. From there, you can refine your search even further. Let's say you're only interested in books with a BSR under 30,000 and a price point above $9. You can apply these filters and the tool will generate a list of books that meet these criteria. But it doesn't stop there. If you want to focus on a sub-niche within the broader category, like coloring books, zoo-themed books, or outrageous designs, you can input those keywords to narrow your search further. The tool will then display books that fit your criteria, complete with data such as publication date, number of reviews, BSR, and even estimated monthly revenue. This feature is invaluable for getting ideas about what types of books you should consider creating. After all, if certain types of books are selling well, they can serve as inspiration for your next project. In my opinion, the cloud feature is the standout among all the research tools in BookBolt. It provides actionable insights that can help you identify trends, analyze competitors, and refine your strategy. There's also the Book Scout tool, which allows you to input the ASIN of a specific book to pull up detailed data about it. Additionally, the Favorites tab lets you save books you want to monitor over time, making it easier to track trends and revisit promising ideas. All in all, these features make BookBolt a robust platform for anyone looking to excel in low-content publishing. Its tools are designed to help you uncover profitable niches, analyze market trends, and ultimately create books that stand out and sell well. When it comes to BookBolt's research tools, one of the features included is the KDP category finder. This tool allows you to enter specific keywords and get a list of relevant categories for your book. While it's helpful in identifying potential categories, I've noticed it doesn't provide additional data such as the bestseller rank, BSR, of the top-performing books in each category. This level of detail is something you'll find in other tools like Publisher Rocket, which I personally prefer for category research. However, if you don't have access to Publisher Rocket, BookBolt's category finder can still be useful for getting a basic idea of where your book fits. Another tool in the research section is KDP Spy, a Chrome extension that gathers data directly from Amazon's website while you browse. This can give you additional insights into books and niches while exploring the store. It provides the most comprehensive and actionable data for identifying trends and opportunities. Now, shifting over to the creation side of BookBolt, you'll find even more tools to help you bring your book ideas to life. To start, you can click on the Create button and access BookBolt Studio. This is where you design your project from scratch. You begin by choosing the type of book you want to create, such as a paperback or hardcover. For example, let's say I want to create a puzzle book. I'd select the paperback option, set the size to the standard 8.5 by 11 inches, and decide on other details like a black and white interior and 100 pages. Once you've set up your project, the customization options open up. The interface allows you to design every single page of your book however you like. You can add various elements such as shapes, text, and images, and arrange them in any way that suits your vision. For instance, you might add a title to the cover page, align it to the center, and include your name as the author. The process feels intuitive and somewhat similar to using Canva, which makes it accessible even for beginners. From there, you can fine-tune the design further by adjusting text spacing, aligning elements, and experimenting with the layout. The flexibility offered here ensures you can create a polished, professional-looking product without needing advanced design skills. Overall, while the research tools are a mixed bag, with some being more useful than others, the creation tools in BookBolt Studio really stand out. They provide everything you need to design a low-content book that looks great and aligns with market demands. Together, these tools make BookBolt a versatile platform, particularly for creators who are new to the low-content publishing space. When exploring BookBolt's design features, one aspect that immediately stands out is its integration with Pixabay and Unsplash. This allows you to seamlessly add high-quality images directly into your designs without having to leave the platform. It's a convenient addition, especially for those looking to enhance their books with visuals without needing to source and upload images manually. Another powerful feature of BookBolt is its ability to generate low-content interiors with just a few clicks. For example, if you're looking to create a journal interior, you can choose from multiple styles, such as narrow-lined or wide-lined formats. Once you've picked a style, you can customize further by selecting the number of pages you want for your journal. After finalizing your settings, you simply click Submit, and the software generates the pages instantly. The versatility doesn't end there. BookBolt also offers tools for creating puzzle pages. You can specify the number of pages, set additional preferences like including solutions after the puzzle pages, and then submit the settings. Within moments, you have fully formatted puzzle pages ready to go. This feature is particularly exciting for anyone looking to create puzzle books because it eliminates the need to use multiple specialized software tools. Many standalone tools only generate specific types of puzzles, like word searches, mazes, or cryptograms, while BookBolt consolidates them all into one platform, making it an all-in-one solution for puzzle book creation. In addition to puzzles, BookBolt provides access to a comprehensive library of templates for various other low-content interiors. These include templates for mazes, finance trackers, career planners, at-home to-do lists, body mass trackers, goal journals, and more. The variety ensures you can find templates that suit virtually any niche. However, it's important to note that while these templates are great starting points, you should customize them to make your content original. Adding unique text, designs, or personal touches will ensure your book stands out in the competitive marketplace. Personally, I find the puzzle creation tools to be the most compelling feature of BookBolt. Puzzle books are particularly well-suited for low-content publishing because they have broad appeal and can generate consistent sales with the right designs. The convenience of being able to generate multiple types of puzzles along with solutions in one place makes BookBolt a game changer for anyone interested in creating this type of content. Overall, BookBolt's combination of design flexibility, pre-made templates, and puzzle generation tools makes it a versatile platform for low-content creators. Whether you're designing journals, planners, or puzzle books, it provides the resources you need to streamline the process while giving you room to customize and innovate. BookBolt offers a unique advantage for creators of puzzle books. Every puzzle it generates is completely original. This eliminates the concern of duplicate content, ensuring that when you upload your work to Amazon, it's entirely unique to you. This originality is key, particularly with platforms like Amazon KDP, where duplicate content can pose significant issues. Puzzle books also fall into the category of higher-value, low-content books, meaning you can price them higher than simpler, low-content offerings, like lined journals. What's great is that creating these books is incredibly straightforward, often requiring just a single click. For instance, if you want to create a Sudoku puzzle book, BookBolt makes it effortless. You can generate puzzles with varying levels of difficulty, from very easy to hard, and customize elements like the number of puzzles per page and whether to include solution pages. Creating similar such as puzzles books with BookBolt is straightforward. After generating puzzles, you can easily replicate successful layouts by resizing and arranging multiple puzzles on a single page, mimicking the best practices of top-selling books. BookBolt is especially powerful for creating puzzle books because it consolidates the functionality of multiple tools into one. Normally, you'd need separate software for generating Sudoku, word searches, mazes, and other puzzles. With BookBolt, you have all of this in a single platform. Beyond puzzles, the software also provides templates for other types of low-content interiors, making it versatile for different publishing niches. The affordability of BookBolt is another advantage. The platform offers both a newbie and a pro plan, with the pro plan including the puzzle creation tools, which I think are the main reason to invest in this software. Choosing the annual payment option provides additional savings, and there are often discount codes available to make it even more budget-friendly. For someone serious about creating puzzle books or diving into the low-content publishing space, this investment can save hours of effort and provide a streamlined path to producing professional, marketable books. In summary, my honest opinion is that BookBolt is a must-have tool if you're focusing on low-content publishing, particularly for puzzle books. It's a cost-effective way to get started and can save you significant time and effort. While it may not be useful if you're not working in this niche, for anyone interested in creating puzzle books, it's an invaluable resource. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.